Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I'm Lorna Fernandez from Kunkoli. We are up here on my terrace where I'm growing fruit trees in pots. You will see a sample of it. We are getting lots of fruits from these trees. I just wanted to encourage people to grow in pots, because many people say I don't have space or something like that, but I wanted to encourage people to say grow in pots. You will get fruits, because you've seen a lot. We have just recently harvested a lot of fruits, so there are no fruits on some of the plants, but you've seen fruits like figs and pomegranates and limes and lemons and guavas. I have different types of guavas. I have about 18 different fruit trees here. Even mango, you can see, you can grow in a pot. Even cashew, if you want, you can grow in a pot. I don't have a cashew plant, but you can grow fruit trees in a plant. And the way to grow is just you prune them so that they don't become very large, and you will still get fruits. The only thing that we put for them as manure is our compost, which we take from all our leaves and cut branches and things. We compost them, and then we put that mud for the pots, and sometimes some cow dung. If we can get outside when the cows are passing, we collect the cow dung, we make a slurry of it, and we put it for the plants. That's all. This is all organic, so you can grow fruits in pots, and I'm encouraging you to do so. And if you actually want more information, you can contact us on GoaCan resource center at gmail.com. So you can do that, and we will give you more information.
No, you have also grown vegetables.
Yes, I've grown vegetable. I have a patch down here. You will see parts of that also. Like some we have harvested. Actually, during this lockdown, we have eaten more food than we actually eat during the normal times. Because there are some weeds also which grow in our gardens, which you can actually eat. So all this information, if you are willing to do, please contact us, and we will give you the information.